When there's no sound in your hearing aid, especially in the Signia Silk Charge and Go series, the first basic thing to check is the dome. Is the dome blocked? So if you look at the arch on this side, there should be a hole through. You can take a brush and clean it, or else you can remove the dome gently. Just gently remove the dome, the silicone dome. There are some ridges to hold it in place. Check if this filter is blocked. So if there's wax covering, the sound cannot come through. It will also cause no sound. So in those cases, we have to change the filter. If the filter is clean, we have to check if it's charging properly, check for the contact points on the hearing aid, as well as the portable charger itself. So if we were to put it in the correct position, the light should come up. So if the light is coming up, it's charging well, then there should be the sound. If it's charging well and the filter is not blocked and there is still no sound, send it to your audiologist or hearing aid dispenser or your hearing healthcare professional for further checks.